To avoid loosening, see, there's a tendency that this nylon weaving, as with the continued pulling of our gimbals, it would slip out of this, like this one here. It would slip out, and your fowl could get loose on your farm. So what I did to secure this one is to put a grommet. One way of doing it is putting a grommet. Some of those guys who prepared this one, deborn this one and attach to the ring. Unfortunately, this tube that I am using is won't respond nicely with the burning, because this is a laboratory tube. This is very highly durable, even with the hot and cold extreme conditions. This is a tube for laboratory testing. So instead of burning and sealing it here, I put a grommet at the end. And 2 weeks ago, I came across the store for a tailoring store, and I bought this one. If you notice this one, these are the button that they are using to decorate some of those pants, but you could also use it to seal and secure the head of the tie cord. See? It won't release.